Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we are consolidating underneath new high, the all-time highs. So your highs here's 47.1175. We did 09.75 a couple days ago, back on Tuesday, and you're just seeing this grind. Got about 4 sessions. Your low of those 4 sessions is 46.67. Your high is 09.75, and we're just kind of cranking in that range. Yesterday's high and low, 47.01 to 46.79. Today, 47.04 to 46.84. So it's, it's narrowing and it's lifting a little bit. It has no interest in getting involved or trying to convert that 9-day. Here's the hourly chart, and you can just see we're consolidating. We are consolidating. Weekly pivot is support. 9-day is support. What do the bulls need to do? Need to pop the top on this thing. Go print 13. That's going to open up things like 30 to 33, and then 47 to 50. That's their task. What do the bears need to do? They need to take advantage of this hesitation and try to get a little wind at their back, maybe with some news, and try to convert the 9-day, the 9-day and the weekly pivot on a closing basis, and then maintain those areas as resistance for an entire Globex session. That's how you get it done. When you almost get that done and then you blow it late in the day, that's how you end up with this. They tried it, they couldn't get it done. They closed below here, see? They tried to keep it below, they started fooling around, and you lose it. Then resistance starts to become support. Volume weighted average price coming in today, about 95.5 right now. Hourly mid, 92.38. Your daily pivot's 88.5. Proprietary moving average and the 5-minute mid band are sitting together right on big round number 4,700. So the price action that we're seeing is not unusual considering where we are. We're at a big round number. We talked about that yesterday, and we're just underneath the all-time highs. And it's a little bit of a break in the action. The tape's been fine. It was a gigantic triangle from longer period of time frames all the way to smaller time frames for the majority of yesterday afternoon, which was fine. We got done what we needed to get done in the morning. The point I'm trying to make is this is a tape where you need to be opportunistic. You have to take advantage of what that tape gives you, and then basically your job is to keep what you've done. So it's been a very good week for us, but not on a truckload of trades. Couple few good setups a day, and that's put us in double-digit days. The last 3 days, and then we'll see what Thursday and Friday bring. But we're in a good spot. Monday was a rough day. Mondays have not been trader friendly lately, so we'll see how the 22nd treats everybody. Don't overtrade this. Respect risk. Keep what you make. Once it makes a decision about what it wants to do between 4,700 and 4,712, then we'll have our next leg. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow.